business case that we needed for the automation of our procurement system was quite easy. We'd been using a product for over 12 years that was not meeting the needs of the research staff that we had, nor the procurement professionals that we have on staff. And so when we looked at it, we realized that the benefits that could come from the SciQuest product was going to allow us to do more things with the same number of people we had and be able to meet the needs of the researchers. The actual end users loved the product. When we were doing the training, we had 2-hour sessions planned. Most sessions finished in an hour and a half. And it was so intuitive on how to use it, I was able to even be able to demonstrate it to the chief financial officer. I could not use our previous system, nor could the CFO. And what he didn't know, I'd only been to one training session when I showed him how to use it. We have seen that our average processing time is less than 3 days. What we're also seeing is from a compliance metric, and this is the submission of all documentation that accompanies a requisition. It used to be in the 50% range, so that every requisition that came in, half had to go back. One of the things we learned from SciQuest is that we could use the different forms, and we made the form tied to the requisition. So now we see 100% compliance review coming through. So the other piece too is that we've seen is the use of the catalogs. Again, we've gone from 8 to 88, and we've gone from being able to go from about 40% utilization to 65%. With that though, the biggest gain that we've had is we've had actually a 20% reduction in our general administrative costs being able to use the system. And what we learned is looking through using the sprint methodology that SciQuest used, we were able to focus on what was coming up next, and we're making sure that we knew the metrics, we knew what we needed to do, and everybody was on board, and we knew the whole process. And we had a great team, both SciQuest and the RTI folks that were working together, that allowed us to have a lot of fun along the way. And we met every one of the milestones that we needed to do for the whole project. And we created a lot of great relationships that still go on today from the people we met.